Hello my dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and secure at your home. I am your teacher Miss Aman and today I have a surprise for you all. You all want to see that? Yes, then close your eyes. Very good. Now open your eyes. Wow, I have a storybook for you all. So today we are going to read a story and the name of the story is What Time Is It, Rex? Introducing the hours of the day. Now ma'am is going to open the book. Let's see. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. It is time for Lazy Rex to wake up. Put the little yellow hand on the 7 and the big red hand on the 12. 7. 7 o'clock in the morning. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. It is time for Rex to eat his breakfast. Put the little yellow hand on the 8 and the big red hand on the 12. 8 o'clock in the morning. Now it is 9 o'clock in the morning. It is time for Rex to go to school. Put the little yellow hand on the 9 and the big red hand on the 12. 9. 9 o'clock. Now it is 10 o'clock in the morning. It is counting time for Rex. Put the little yellow hand on the 10 and the big red hand on the 12. 10. 12. 10 o'clock in the morning. Next, it is 11 o'clock in the morning. It is play time for Rex. Put the little yellow hand on the 11 and the big red hand on the 12. 11. 12. 11 o'clock in the morning. It is 12 o'clock midday. It is reading time for Rex. Put both the little yellow hand and the big red hand on the 12. Yellow, red. 12 o'clock midday. Now next page. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It is lunch time for Rex. Put the little yellow hand on the 1 and the big red hand on the 12. 1. 12. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Now it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It is painting time for Rex. Put the little yellow hand on the 2 and the big red hand on the 12. 2. 12. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Now it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It is time for Rex to go home. Put the little yellow hand on the 3 and the big red hand on the 12. 3. 12. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It is dinner time for Rex. Put the little yellow hand on the 4 and the big red hand on the 12. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Now it is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It is time for Rex to ride his scooter. Put the little yellow hand on the 5 and the big red hand on the 12. 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Now it is 6 o'clock in the evening. It is bath time for Rex. Put the little yellow hand on the 6 and the big red hand on the 12. 6, 12. It is 6 o'clock in the evening. Next page. It is 7 o'clock in the evening. It is bedtime for Rex. Put the little yellow hand on the 7 and the big red hand on the 12. It is 7 o'clock in the evening. It is 8 o'clock at night. Good night. Rex is fast asleep. Put the little yellow hand on the 8 and the big red hand on the 12. It is 8 o'clock at night. Wow! I hope you all enjoyed it. Can you tell me what do we learn from this story? Yes? Very good. We learn from this story that we must do our work on time and we have to schedule and manage our time according to the activity. Got it? So you all have to promise me that you all will do your work on proper time. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. Take care.